Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Rednote app. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open your Rednote app on your device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile section. Then, once in your profile, tap the current profile picture. This will open the photo album. From here, you can select any picture you want to use as your new profile picture. Let's say I've chosen this one. And you'll have an option to crop the image to your liking. Once you're happy with it, simply click the red button below to save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Rednote. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching!